The battle for the future of AI coding tools just took a major turn, and OpenAI isn't waiting to play catch-up. Instead of buying the hottest startup in town, it's launching a direct competitor. Meet the new Codex AI, not just a code generator, but a full-blown autonomous software engineering agent that can handle multiple development tasks at once. This is OpenAI's boldest move yet in redefining how software gets built. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments, especially if you're a developer thinking about upgrading your workflow. So what makes this Codex different? Unlike the old autocomplete-style Codex that powered GitHub Copilot, this version is built on a fine-tuned O3 reasoning model and acts more like a cloud-based AI teammate. It can write features, squash bugs, run tests, answer questions about your codebase, and even draft pull requests, all in parallel, securely, and autonomously. Codex is now available to ChatGPT Pro, Enterprise, and Team users, with support for Plus and EDU accounts on the way. Internally, OpenAI engineers are already using it like a morning to-do list. Queue up tasks and come back to a batch of draft solutions ready to review. It works through a ChatGPT sidebar, reads from your repo, and follows project-specific guides down to your preferred code style. And here's the kicker. Codex works in a fully isolated internet-free sandbox, drawing only from your own code. That means secure operation and safer AI freedom. Companies like Cisco, Temporal, and Superhuman are already testing it to boost test coverage, debug faster, and even let non-engineers suggest changes. OpenAI is also rolling out Codex CLI, a terminal agent using a faster, smaller model for quick editing and code Q&A. The pricing? $1.50 per million input tokens and $6 per million output, with steep caching discounts. But right now, it's free during the research preview. Now, is OpenAI still planning to acquire Windsurf? That's unclear. The timing is suspicious. Just one day before Codex's launch, Windsurf dropped its own SWE1 foundation models. Coincidence? Maybe. Power move? Definitely. What's clear is this. OpenAI is done just assisting developers. It's now aiming to collaborate with them with agents that do more than answer, agents that build. So if you're a developer still stuck in old workflows, it might be time to rethink your entire tool chain. Codex isn't just another AI tool. It's the start of a seismic shift in how code gets written. Check out the related video in the corner to see how other dev teams are integrating agents into their stack. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and let me know what you think. Would you trust an agent to commit code for you? Let's talk about it.